Guys, I just updated to iOS 14, which is the latest iOS version for the Apple products. What are the compatible devices for the iOS 14? So, first off, I just wanted to let you know that iOS 14 is about to be released in between September to December this year. So there are a lot of exciting features, and of course, me myself is very excited for the iOS 14, and I got myself updated. I got my phone updated to the iOS 14 beta. So guys, I can't wait for the official release. Kaya naghanap ako ng paraan to get my iOS 14 installed, or to get the iOS 14 installed in my iPhone. So, ano ba yung mga compatible devices for iOS 14? So, um, every devices or all of the phones and iPads that are running with iOS 13 are compatible with iOS 14. So that starts with iPhone 6s up to iPhone 11 Pro Max. For the iPhone SE naman guys, yes, included po siya from first to second generation, yung bagong iPhone SE. And also, it also includes iPhone or iPad Touch 7th generation only. So it doesn't include the previous generations, unfortunately. And also, applicable din siya sa iPads. By the way, meron tayong major update. Before I forget as well, na sa iOS 14, there's an optimization for the earphones or AirPods battery. I just can't try it because I don't have one. It's expensive and I can't afford. So guys, if you have one, then you can install beta and I'll show you how, and then try it. I'll put the link in the description below. There's a lot of features na you guys are going to be very excited about. So, let's start. So guys, I am very excited to show you kung ano yung mga major changes na na-notice ko when I updated my phone to iOS 14. So, let's open the phone. Here. And, voila, if you guys can notice, wala na yung apps ko sa phone. But, iPhone has introduced the app library. This is where lahat ng mga apps ko napunta. So guys, don't you worry, because if you still prefer to have these apps displayed in your home screen, you can still do that. Just the same thing that you need to do when arranging the apps. All you just need to do is to tap and hold. There. All you just need to do is tap and hold the app outside the screen, and you can drag it in here. But if you want it removed naman sa home screen mo, you just have to click on the minus button na makikita mo on top of the app, and then add to library. You also have the option to delete it. Guys, what's really cool about this is that, say for example, nandito sa screen lahat ng apps mo, you can just tap on the button that shows below, to where it shows how many counts ng home screen display mo, and it will allow you to arrange the screens. So usually sa ganitong parts kasi, kung meron kang displayed na meron kang apps na naka-display sa home screen mo, itatap mo lang yon, ito, and then it will display all of the screens that you have. Since mine doesn't have anything, so it automatically locks the phone. So another feature na nakita ko, which is really nice, is the today's view. So parang the same lang siya sa dati. Pero what you can do is you can actually tap and rearrange the widgets, as well as you can add this one on your screen. Also, you will also have the option to click on the plus button, and you can add apps that you normally use. So just like this. So, i-add mo yung widget sa screen mo. So, there. Another new feature that I'm very excited to show you guys is the added app ni iPhone, which allows us to translate from English to different languages. So let's say Chinese. All you just need to do is to click on the microphone. Hey, how are you doing? So if you can hear it, na-auto-translate niyo yung sinabi natin. So that's very cool because I think we can actually use a lot of languages here. And another feature is the Siri. Once we ask something from Siri, Siri will actually use the World Wide Web to search for answers and will only pop up in this part right here. So hindi siya magko-consume, hindi niya i-consume lahat ng screen. Another is that pag may tumawag sa'yo, usually kasi buong screen yung nakikita natin and then we'll have to swipe right to answer, right? But this time, si call notification, mag-show up na lang dito sa upper part and will be given the option to either answer or decline. So, we also have new emojis, which I haven't explored yet, but I will show you guys soon pag nakapag-explore na ako fully sa iOS 14 ng iPhone ko. So, if may alam din kayo na mga bagong features ni iOS 14, guys, please comment down below. And by the way, this is beta. So I just got myself for me to try because I'm really excited. And guys, I'm very, very excited na i-explore si iOS 14 sa phone ko. And I will create another video if ever na mahanap ko na lahat ng mga features. And if you guys know something about it, please comment down below kung ano yung naisip niyo yung mga hidden features ni Apple or iOS 14 na hindi ko pa na-discover. So again, iOS 14 release date is tentative yet. But that's between September to December. It's compatible with devices running with iOS 13, so that's with iPhone 6s and above, as well as iPod 7th generation. And guys, for now, nakapag-install ako ng beta ng iOS 14. So, I don't really recommend doing it because sometimes meron tayong issues when it comes to using beta profiles. But, of course, that would still be under, that will be fixed by updates as well. Only that you'll have to wait. So, I don't recommend doing it. I just wanted to explore iOS 14 and wanted to try it myself so that I could share it with you guys. So, that's it for now, and I hope you guys are very excited as well with iOS 14. It's not really bad at all for me. Hindi naman masyadong marami yung changes from iOS 13. But of course, naninibago din ako. I just wanted to share, and I just wanted to feel and experience kung ano yung iOS 14 and what does it have to offer.